Welcome to Aroma Bake Equipments. We are one of the leading manufacturer, trader and supplier of an unmatched array of baking equipments. We offer a wide range of products such as rotary rack oven, rotary oven, planetary mixer, spiral mixer, bread slicer, proving chamber, tabletop slicer, dough sheeter. All our offered products are highly in demand in the market and known among our esteemed patrons for some incomparable characteristics such as efficient functioning, durable standards, perfect design, easy to operate, low maintenance, safe to use, low power consumption, high performance, sturdy construction, longer service life. We are known for our products. Those are fabricated and designed under our highly experienced professionals by making use of first-class grade basic material and with the aid of highly innovative technology. The offered products are obtainable in numerous shapes, sizes, designs and stipulations as per the precise requirements of esteemed patrons. Under the command of our mentors Mr. Prem Chand, Mr. Ritesh, CEO owner, we accomplished a strong position in the market for ourselves. With their support we are able to offer these products within the specified time frame to our valuable patrons. Apart from this, we deal in some prestigious brand like Brunch, Chef Khan, Brew Bakes, Cakes and Loaves, Bonbon and many more in our huge list of satisfied clients. You are just a missed call away. Kindly give a missed call on